show you how to write down 4 against 5. It's in 5/4. And the first part of it looks like this. And then you have the mirror image. That one. And then the opposite of that. And then that. The rhythm alone sounds like da 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 da, and with separate hands. Here's 4 against 5 written in 2 parts, so it's in 5/4, coincidence. So here's 5 beats, 5 crotchet beats, 5 quarter note beats, and here's your 4 beats. And each beat is worth 5 semiquavers or 5 16th notes. So there's 4 16th notes and then 1, and we connect them with a tie. Here's 3 16th notes and connect it to the next note, which is worth 2 16th notes. And then there's 2 here and 3 here and 1 here and 4 here. And here are the beats: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4.